Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry Turquoise and today is another world building writing tips video. So today is how to make your imaginary world seem real. So without further ado, we're just going to hop right into it, and you guys are wondering what I'm looking at. I'm looking at my notebook to make sure I give out the information as accurately as I possibly can. So without further ado, let's hop right into this. So readers might put down the book if there's not enough information given to them as they're reading the story about your world and the characters, or they just might put down the book if there is way too much information all at once. So always give the information out in little bits of chunks and pieces or in gradual, and let the readers read the information that is important of what's in your world at that section. Or when you're making your world into your novel or your story, put down the important information of your world for that scene or that area, and increase and add information on about the world as the story goes along. Put important pieces or information together, like the people, ruler, rich and poor, magic system if there is one, and etc. I can go on with these examples. Need to know how your world society is functioning. So how is the poor people living? How are the rich people surviving with the poor system, with the poor people? And how is the middle class affected with all this as well? Write down your world's history in your outline of your world and in your series Bible. If it's extremely important to have the history brought up into your story, and then do so in small chunks or lessons kind of thing, but not in a whole lot of info dumping. And go into details of your world building when outlining. So when your world outline, go into as much details as you want, or as little details as you want as well. And research different cultures and add them to your world if you want. So for example, if you like the Chinese culture but you also like the Greek mythology, you can combine those two worlds together and make a world out of that. So the things that you write down for the world needs to make sense for your story as well. So let's say you decide to have a wizard for your world, but it does not go into your story very well, so it's best just to have the wizard out for the story to make sense, or redo the whole story to fit the wizard into the story. When creating your people, have them with beliefs, cultural, government, clothing style, groups. So let's say you have a group that are Christian-like, so have their groups together, or another group Wiccan, pagan, non-religious. How do they celebrate their holidays if there is holidays? Create a chaos. So we're going to use this pandemic for example. So the pandemic is pretty chaotic when it first started, and it still is chaotic. So how are the people surviving this pandemic, or the chaos that you have to create in your story? Are they extremely affected by it, or are they just minorly affected and can go back to their normal life, or are they somewhere in the middle where they have to make some changes? Another thing that you can do in your story, you can do a little bit of information at a time of the backstory of your world if it is necessary. And then is, yeah, do a little bit at a time if it is important to your story as your plot grows. And that's it. That's all I have for you for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified of all my posts. I post videos once a week and I do a live stream once a week. And click the like button. It does help support my channel and lets YouTube know that you like the video, and it'll let YouTube know that they might like this video as well. So click that like button, leave a comment down below, and follow me on Tumblr, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, and Facebook. All the links are down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, stay true to yourself and stay unique. Bye!